Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make barbecue vinegar sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of ketchup, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. These basic items are the foundation for a delicious, tangy sauce that's perfect for any barbecue. Now, let's combine everything to create our flavorful sauce. Carefully pour the 2 cups of apple cider vinegar into a medium saucepan. Next, add the 1/2 cup of ketchup and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Finally, stir in your 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well blended and smooth, ensuring a consistent base. With all ingredients combined, it's time to develop those rich, deep flavors. Place your saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the sauce to cook for at least 15 minutes. This simmering time is crucial for the flavors to meld beautifully and for the sauce to thicken slightly. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once your sauce has simmered and the flavors have developed perfectly, remove it from the heat. Let it cool completely to room temperature before proceeding to the next step. Then, transfer the cooled sauce into an airtight container. For the best taste and optimal freshness, refrigerate your homemade barbecue vinegar sauce for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this versatile sauce on your favorite grilled meats or as a delicious marinade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.